guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. I'm gonna bring you guys another car meet today. Hopefully you guys don't get tired of me uploading car meets or anything, but yeah, this one should be pretty cool. This one is in memory of Paul Walker. Obviously everybody knows who Paul Walker is, but yeah, anyways, it's not too far away. It's like 30 minutes or so we're about to head over there. It starts at 9. It's currently 8:30, so hopefully make it on time. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once we actually get there. Bro, this thing really got shut down. This isn't even the freaking parking lot for the meet, and this thing's packed. This is across the street. So we can't park here either. Oh my god, bro. Alright guys, I guess they're relocating, so we're heading over there right now. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they don't shut this one down as well. There goes nothing, guys. Guys, we just pulled up. Hopefully this one doesn't get shut down so quick. And this thing's pretty clean. I want one. 370. I want one of those too. This thing's sick. Supra. I want one of these too. So it gets Exhaust of the Year award, man. Thank you. You see the exhaust exit right there. Find another one. Sheesh. Oh damn, bro! I want one of these too. Damn. Is looking cool? Nah, just wait. Damn, bro, slam. Kinda wanna bag the M5, but I don't know. Oh no. Oh, what the heck? Supra. That's sick. It's pretty cool. I want one. Damn. That's crazy.
That shit will kill someone, huh?
God damn.
I just got my ass handed.
Oh, the setup is pretty clean, man. I'm not into Benz like that, but this is pretty clean. Bro, this is clean. I've never seen one with that spoiler. Damn, this is sick. Love the yellow.
Oh, bro, he has the yellow letters.
Damn, I've seen this one before.
Yeah,
somewhere.
They make it SRT.
It's pretty cool. Grand Coupe. Damn, bro. That's sick. And J82, bro.
Okay, bro.
Bro, this thing's clean. I want one of these, man. Damn. This thing's so wide. Oh my god, bro. The Supra too, right next to it. I want both of these cars right now. Finding Nick, bro. That's a big ass exhaust. Damn, sick. Damn, bro. Pulled up in a freaking Ferrari. Damn. That's clean.
I wake up at 7 and then I leave at 7:30.
Damn. I want a white one.
Bro, my cousin.
God damn, bro.
900 horsepower.
Wide open?
After a week? Yeah.
That's crazy. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mobile one? 1320? And another one? Damn, bro. Carbon fiber, everything. God damn, dude. Oh my god, bro. That's just sick. God damn. It's loud. Jesus Christ.
The next day.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be fixing the biggest issue I have on my M5. Literally this is like the worst thing that has happened to my car. Every single time I upload a video of me doing a mod, I get a ton of people commenting saying why don't you fix this instead of getting new mods and stuff, and it's like, but you don't get the same enjoyment of the mod. But yeah, I have the car right here, guys. Whew, still can't get over this steering wheel, man. Little startup, even though the cold start is off. Nice. But yeah guys, I'm about to head over to the shop right now, and then I'll explain to you guys over there what we're actually doing. I'm pretty sure most of you guys will know, but I'm not gonna say it yet. We'll wait till we get to the shop, and then yeah, I'm super excited to finally get this done. It's such a freaking expensive mod. It's like so much money you have to waste for no reason. Hopefully this doesn't happen again. I really didn't want to fix this just because it's so expensive, but I know after I fix it I'm gonna be like, damn, it looks so much better. out for a bit, and then I'll start heading out, and I'll pick up the camera once we actually get there. Alright guys, I was gonna wait until I actually got to the shop to show you what we were doing, but I thought I might as well just do it right now, because so I can actually show you guys what it looks like and stuff. So if you guys look at the windshield, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a whole bunch of little tiny specks. Pretty sure you guys can see right there. No guys, the windshield is not dirty, it's actually clean. I'm pretty sure those are like tiny rock chips, or like where a rock hit it and left a little mark. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but it's literally all over the windshield, everywhere. Not to mention the big ass crack that's in the bottom of my windshield. You guys can see it. I'll show you guys a better angle of the actual crack once we get to the shop. That way I can show you guys from the outside, but it's literally all across the windshield. It was a tiny rock chip in the middle, and it spread all the way from one side to the other side.
1/4 of a mile.
It looks all ugly.
Santa Ana Avenue.
Oh, shut up. Maybe now you guys can stop criticizing me for my mods instead of fixing my windshield. Nah, I'm just kidding, but yeah, finally getting replaced. Super excited. I've been wanting to tint my windshield too, so maybe now we can do that. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to the shop, guys. So I'll take out the camera once we actually get there. Alright guys, it's about to be done. Before they do it, I'll show you guys real quick. That's how it started, and that's where it expanded to. All the way over here, all the way over there. Super big crack. You can see it more from the outside too, because it's like under the windshield from where you can see inside. It's all the way across. So yeah, they're about to replace it right now, and we'll see how it goes. It's officially off. I'll just keep it like that. Alright guys, it's finally official. You guys can check it out. Obviously we have the tape on there. No more crack finally. Like super clear from the inside. No more little tiny specks on there, like little rock chips. Super excited. I literally did not want to do this, but I can't have the windshield cracked forever. So maybe now we can officially go ahead and go on with the tinting all around. I want to go darker tints on the sides. I want to tint the front windshield a little bit, make everything look a little nicer and darker. And yeah, hopefully everything comes out nicely. Finally, no more crack, man. Now you guys can stop telling me to replace my windshield every time I do a mod video. Jamacore Industries, I'm gonna leave their Instagram and stuff down below. Anybody in the IE, they can definitely hook you up on windshields, guys. Hit them up for all the hookups. Get a good deal on the new windshield if you need it. They even wrap, they do part installs, all types of stuff. So hit them up. Instagrams will be in the description. All right guys, it's officially the next day. They did say I can take it off today in the morning, but I just left it on a few hours more. It's currently like 6, about to be 7. I just took off the other side and I was like, oh, I should record this. But I'm gonna take this side off, and then yeah, technically it's gonna be the end of this video. I just realized I didn't make an outro, so I was like, I should probably do it right now after I take off the tapes. So there goes nothing, guys. I'm gonna take this off over here. Ooh, there it goes, guys. Ooh, now it's official. We officially have a new windshield. That thing looks so clear. I mean, so clean. Well, I guess clear, because the other one has a whole bunch of rock chips. Hell yeah. The only thing is, it's a little more noticeable on the camera than it is in person, but you guys can see it has a little like tint, fade tint on top. I don't know how I feel about it. It is aftermarket, which is the reason why it has that. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. It's not that bad, but I'm thinking I don't want to tint the front windshield eventually, so I'm thinking if the tint will make that less noticeable. If not, I might just have to get a banner, or I don't have to get a banner, but I might just get a banner. But I'm not too sure what kind of banner I would like, or like what I would want on it or anything. So if you guys do think we should get a banner on the car, let me know in the comments below what you think would look good on there. But yeah, that's just in case the windshield tint doesn't really get rid of this. Yeah, like I said, it's not that big of a deal, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways guys, like I said, that's just gonna go ahead and end today's video. Finally fixed this issue on the M5 that a lot of you guys wanted me to fix. I got my wheels redone, and they're like, why'd you get your wheels redone? Why didn't you fix your windshield? But yeah, maybe now you guys can stop bullying me about the windshield. It's officially fixed. It looks super clean. I do need to give these windows a clean though, because they do have like a few water spots and stuff that you can mainly only see in like direct sunlight. But yeah guys, you can see the car looking even better now. But like I said, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it right here, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this little video of me spending all this money on the freaking windshield. Thankfully I did get a little hookup, so you guys make sure to check out Jamacore and Fly High Movement for all your windshield needs. If you guys are in the IE, definitely got the best prices around, guys. But anyways, I know I'm talking a lot. I'm just going to end it, guys. If you did enjoy, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And with all that being said, guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.